Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the first half of the month of August 2023. August 1, 2023. Crossians Cheerio. On August 1, 2023, the event Crossians Cheerio was organized at the multipurpose hall of the college in appreciation of more than 3 decades of dedication, sacrifice and commitment rendered by Dr. M. Mary Helen Stella, the head of the Department of Commerce, to the institution. The secretary, Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, penned her thoughts and warm regards and gifted her verses, celebrating the retirees' 34 years of dedicated service. In her talk, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, thankfully recalled her experiences with Dr. Helen Stella as her student, colleague, and administrator. The teaching and non-teaching staff expressed their appreciation for the dedicated service of the retiree and showered her with gifts and songs of praise. In her acceptance speech, Dr. Mary Helen Stella gratefully acknowledged all of them who had been part of her journey at Holy Cross College and all who groomed her to become what she is. The staff club of the college organized the event. Tirukkural Handwriting Competition. On the same day, the Department of Tamil SF organized a Tirukkural handwriting competition in which about 50 students participated. Dr. Delphin, an assistant professor of Tamil, coordinated the competition. August 3, 2023. Crossings. The Intercollegiate and Inter-School Quiz Competition, Crossings 2023, was organized by the Quiz Club of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, in collaboration with the SIOL Quiz Club, Pondicherry. Mr. S. Muthukumaran, the Quiz Master of SIOL Quiz Club, conducted the quizzing battle in which 25 teams from several colleges and 21 teams from several schools participated in a tough contest that went on for several rounds like Visual Fire, Rebus Round, Shuffly Jiffly and many more. St. Alphonsus School Nagercoil and Government Engineering College Tirunelveli clinched the title. Cash prizes, trophies and certificates were given to the prize winners. Sister Ann Mary, the nodal officer of Quiz Club of Holy Cross College Nagercoil, together with the organizing committee members, organized Crossings 2023. August 8, 2023. Campus Bazaar. The first edition of the Campus Bazaar for the academic year 23-24 was inaugurated by Ms. Roshni Das, Director, Tasur Musicals, Nagercoil, in the presence of Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, Dr. Sister Lima Rose, the vice principal of the college, Dr. Jenny Padua, the Dean of Entrepreneurship, and members of the Deanery of Entrepreneurship Development. With the promise of customized deliverables, 17 new entrepreneurial ventures began selling their wares at the bazaar. Apart from the lineup of entrepreneurs, there were more than 45 stalls offering mouth-watering dishes, nutritious delights, and creative handcrafts that led to heated-up sales sweeping the onlookers' pockets and taste buds. August 9, 2023. Addressing health issues of teenagers through homeopathy. A lecture on addressing health issues of teenagers through homeopathy, featuring the invited speakers Dr. T.S. Ashta Ishwaran and Dr. Bersi, was organized on August 9, 2023. The homeopathic medical practitioners based on Nagercoil highlighted the cost-effectiveness, minimal side effects, and the ease of administration of homeopathic remedies for teenagers' health concerns. Dr. Bojaksha Erosi, the nodal officer of Health and Hygiene Committee of the college, coordinated the event. August 10, 2023. Mother Founders Day Celebration. The campus animation team organized the Mother Founders Day celebrations at the college on August 10, 2023. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, in her address, shared her thoughts about the significance of the day. In her talk, the chief guest, Reverend Sister Pushpam Irudiyam, drew the listeners' attention to the virtuous and resilient life led by Mother Claudine Echenier in her youth, with trust in God, trust in herself, and love for others. An enactment based on snippets from the mother's life with a creative touch was staged by the students. The winners of several competitions held to mark Mother Founders Day received their shields on the occasion, recalling the founder's life centered on others and celebrating the fruits of her labor. The curtains of the event came to a close. August 11, 2023. AntiDrug Pledge. In a General Assembly held on August 11, 2023, Father Francis Xavier Nelson, the director of Tiruppumunai De-Addiction Treatment Ministry, led by the desire to increase awareness about ill effects of drug abuse, motivated the students towards leading a drug-free life. Mr. Anthony Delhi of the Tiruppumunai team introduced himself as a long-time alcoholic and professed his present happiness in leading a reformed life free of substance abuse. At the end of the talk, all students took an AntiDrug Pledge. August 12, 2023, Anvil Alumni Meet. Nostalgia filled the air of the Anvil Alumni Meet held on August 12, 2023 at the Multipurpose Hall of the college. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college, felicitated the gathering. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, updated the alumni in her inaugural address about the progress made by the college to fulfill the 2022-23 agendas of Initiate, Innovate and Collaborate. With the use of a PowerPoint, the principal listed out all new courses introduced, infrastructural development carried out, Manjapai feat, remarkable achievements in ranking and placement, the run and UBA program's contribution to creating social consciousness, and much more. Dr. Lima Rose, retired professor of Holy Cross College, and Ms. Jacinda Dharma, an active Rotarian and retired teacher of St. Joseph's Convent Higher Secondary School, Nagercoil, the proud alumni of the college, graced the occasion as the chief guests. The annual newsletter of the Alumni Association, Crossian In Connect for the academic year 22-23 was released, and Dr. Jansi Vinny, the secretary of the Alumni Association, read the annual report of the association. The 1999 batch of alumni of the Department of Economics entertained and mesmerized all others with their dance, poem, and song performance. The alumni meet that witnessed the participation of over 500 alumni was coordinated by the members of the Alumni Association of the college. August 15, 2023, Independence Day celebration. On August 15, 2023, the 76th year of Indian independence was celebrated at the college. The chief guest, Mr. S. Shegar, Manager, Tahsildar of Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation, Shempagaraman Puttur, Nagercoil, unfurled the national flag. The chief guest of the celebration, Mr. S. Shegar and Dr. P.S. Benila, an alumna of the 1992-1995 batch and assistant professor of Scott Christian College, Nagercoil, in their talk, walked down the history of Indian independence and called for the need to remember with gratitude the self-sacrifice of the freedom fighters and also equally keep alive the true spirit of independence enshrined in the Constitution, upholding unity in diversity at all times. Patriotic fervor was ripe in the air both in the talk and in cultural performance, showcasing India's cultural heritage. The NSS program officers Dr. Abila Jeba Queen, Dr. Pradeepa, Dr. Jasmine Vinoja, Dr. Kala Vedakumari and the sports director Dr. Christian Selen Mary coordinated all preparations for the Independence Day celebrations. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.